How to add song in WhatsApp status. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store, tap on the search bar and search for VN Video Editor. Now install this application and tap on open. Now tap on the plus icon. Now click on new project. Now select your photo. Tap on next. Now tap on the music icon. Now click on music. Now import your music. Now click on use. Tap on next. Now export this video. Now click on export. Now open up WhatsApp. Go to updates. Tap on my status and update the video and upload the video you just edited. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or search a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.